Don't have a laptop and you're wondering how can I upload my videos to YouTube? Well, in this video I'm going to show you how you can do that. Your tech videos, your vlog, and any type of video all the way from your phone. So let's go ahead and let me show you how you can do it like a pro. Now what we need to do is very simple. Come over to Chrome, click on it, opened up. So this is it. So what we're going to do, we're going to come over to the three dots, click on it. We're going to come over to new incognito, click on it. That's what we want. Then come over to the search right here, click on that. Then we're going to type in YouTube. Yes, so we have it already appearing. So that's youtube.com. That's what we are going to type in into the search. Then now click enter. Now after doing that, we just wait for the page to load. Okay, so now the page is loaded. We're going to come up here to the right hand side. You see sign in. Yep, go ahead and click it and sign into your account. You're going to sign into your YouTube account, your Gmail. So go ahead and do that. So after signing in, it will appear like this in the mobile form. So what we're going to do, we're going to come over to the three dots, click on it, then click on desktop site, and it will reload again. The whole page will reload. Okay, so after it's done reloading, next thing we're going to do is we're going to come over to this camera icon, click on it. Then you see upload video. So right here you can see we can go live and create a post. But what we want to do, we want to upload a video. So click on it. Now the reason why we're using incognito is that if we just, after opening Chrome and we type in Google and we click on it, we'll be redirected back to the application. Now this is another phone I'm testing this on, so that's why I know sometimes that first method might not work for all phones. So this is another one I'm sure that will work for 90% of phones. So now what we're going to do, we're going to click on select files, click on it. After clicking on select file, we're going to come over to media picker, click on that. So next thing, we'll wait for the page to open up. So we're going to come up here to videos, click on that. Okay, so that's changed. So right now we're going to click on this video, the first one, and try uploading it. So while it's uploading, boom, we can now see the desktop version of the upload page is showing. So we're not using the mobile version but the desktop version. So from here we can go ahead and type in our title for the video. So let me just erase this number. I can just leave it as screen. Now we have our description right here. Most times the description is usually empty, just that I've typed some things into mine. Okay, so this is where you're going to type in your description. You can put some links to your other videos in here. So scrolling down again, we can now see thumbnails. If we want to upload a thumbnail, this is where we're going to come to. It says upload thumbnail. Click on it. Once you click on it, it will open into our gallery. So I'm just going to click this as the thumbnail for the video. To give it a couple of minutes, it's going to load, and that's it. And that's it, the video has loaded. So if you now come down here, we'll now see playlist. So click on it. Okay, I've created this playlist already. There's a method and way you can create a playlist. If you want to know, you can just go ahead and leave a comment. I'll make a video about that later on. How to create a playlist. But one of the ways to do it first is, you see here it says new playlist. Once you click on it, you have two options. You can create a playlist for podcast or playlist for your videos. So I'm just gonna leave it here and choose one of my playlists. Let me go with this one, live. Then click on done. So right here, I've chosen a playlist. So if you come down here, you now see it says, yes, it's made for kids. No, it's not made for kids. Now, depending the type of video or content that you create, if your videos are made for kids, like telling stories or singing lullabies, things that children will like and enjoy, you can go ahead and click yes, it's made for kids, which also comes with its own restriction, like um, adverts cannot just be shown on it if it's made for kids. But if you come down here to know it's not made for kids, that means your content is mostly like adult, like how to fix something medical, or you're giving an educational information. If you're doing that, you want to click no, it's not made for kids. That's very important. Take note of that. So you should see here it says show more. If you click on it, we're gonna have more options. You say paid ads promotion. So if you have a paid ad promotion in your video, you click this. But I don't have, so I'm just gonna leave it blank like that. Go ahead and read some of these. You find it very useful and engaging. Now let's come over here to tags. So these are some tags that I've put in here already. So let me remove this. So usually this is how the tags will look like. You can just go ahead, you type in the tags. If you use vidIQ, there's a way you can copy tags from other videos that are like what you are uploading. So you can just search for it, and vidIQ will show you the tags. If you're using vidIQ, so just copy it and paste it here. But if you are not and you want to type it manually, you can just type in. So I'm just using that test for an example. Then I'll press enter. Once you press enter, you now notice the tag that it has been saved, and look at it right here. So you can go ahead and type in more. Tags are those, if you read right here, it says tags can be used if content in your video is commonly misspelled. Otherwise, tags play a minimum role in helping viewers to find your videos. So basically, YouTube saying that tags are not really that important, but I do just like using it. So after that, basically that's all you need to do. The rest you could just leave them. Now we're going to move on to the right hand side and scroll down where we'll see next. Click on that. After clicking on that, you notice we have the back appearing, so that means we have moved to another page. From here, you will now see subtitle. Since I'm just uploading the video, which means YouTube have not yet worked on it and created the subtitle yet. So right now, we don't have any subtitle. Just give it 10 minutes, come back again, and you see some text there. So the only thing I can show you for now is these ad cards. It says promote related content during your videos. So I'm just going to come here and click on add. So it's a bit not that easy, but you can minimize the screen like this. To minimize the screen, just put your hand on the screen and bring it closer, and you notice your screen will become smaller. Now, this feature might not be available on all phones, but I believe most phones can do this. So what we're going to do next is click on select a type of card to be added to the video. We can add a playlist, we can add a channel, or we can just add a video. What I want to do is add a video. Sometimes I do add a playlist. Most times I do rather add a long form content instead of a short. So let me click this one right here. So this is it right here, that blue icon. And I do advise you move it from the beginning to somewhere here in the center. See? Now, if you want, you can write a little text into here. It says a custom message here if you want to, but most times I rather just leave it blank. Now come back to card again. I can add a playlist. Now I've created different playlists, but if I have the same playlist that deals with the same topic where this video is, so maybe I have a playlist that deals with YouTube, or I have a playlist that does talk about TikTok, I can just click here and link it to the video. So I'm just going to click on this one right here. You can now notice it here, this blue icon. Let me move it, and that's it. So that's how you can use the card. I'm going to show you can use the end card when the video is fully loaded. So right now I changed the video format. The video was a vertical video to an horizontal, and now the end screen is working. So I'm now going to click on it, the end screen, and show you how that works. So let's click on add. That's what we're going to do. Click on add. And this is the end screen. This is what shows at the end of the video. Oops, man, pressed on one of the end screen, so that's how it appears. Let me delete this. At the end of the video, so we have, so be careful on clicking on the icons so that you don't click on something you don't want. So we have different options right here how you want it to appear. If you want to delete it after you have put the end screen, this is it right here underneath. Just click on this icon right here and click it again, and that's it. So mostly I'm gonna go with this one video, one subscriber right here. So I'm gonna go with this. Now after you've put in the end screen, don't forget, very important, you don't want your end screen to show from the beginning of the video. What you want it to do is show at the end of the video. So you want to click on it and drag it, long press, then drag it both sides, and do that, drag it. It's not that easy doing that. Okay, so right now, nope, I still need to drag it a bit back again, because I don't want the end screen to appear when the video has not ended yet. Now, one of the reasons why you don't want the end screen to show before the end of the video is because when people see it, it signifies that the video has ended. So that's it. It's not really that easy. Okay, so this is what we want. We want it to be at the back like this. This is very important. You don't want your end screen to start appearing before the video even comes to an end or in the middle. You want to drag it like this. You want it to be very small so that it only appears at the end of the video. It only appears at the end of the video. So that is it. So that's how the end screen looks like. So let me move the cursor right here on it. You are going to see the best video or the recent video that was posted, then my profile picture right there. If you click on the profile picture, most times you can subscribe through there too. So the next thing we're going to do, we're going to click on next. So right here, what's happening is that the video is being checked for if it contains any copyright content. So that's what's happening here. It's being checked, but it doesn't have any copyright content. That's why I have this pass mark on the right hand side. So it doesn't have any copyright content. The song or the video is mine, original. So I didn't just copy it from somewhere else. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to click on next. So this is something we have done before. So we have private, unlisted, public. So it's on public already. So what I'm going to do now is click on publish. So after that, we're going to have this link appear. From here, we can copy this link, then share it to our social media. So let me close here. Now, once you're done uploading the video, you can also still come back and click on that pen icon to edit it. And you're still going to be able to see the end screen right here. So if you notice you made a mistake, the end screen is appearing too quick, you want to come here and reduce it. There's a maximum length how much you can reduce it to. Once it's not moving again, just know you have reached it and it's okay. So this is the end screen, and you can now choose what the end screen will show. Most recent upload, best for viewers, or choose a specific video. So you can choose a specific video that will always show when people watch your video to the end. And people watch your video to the end. Okay, so after you click on save, and that's it. If you like this video, you can go ahead and subscribe for more videos like this. Also, check out this video right here.